Think you need a $200 razor to look sharp? Think again. We tested shaving kits under $50 that actually deliver. Smooth blades, soothing balms, and even full barbershop setups. Let's break down the ones that punch way above their price. Dollar Shave Club Travel Shave Set. This kit is built for simplicity and speed. You get a lightweight handle that feels solid in the hand, plus 4 swift rinse cartridges that are designed to rinse clean in seconds. No clogged blades, no fuss. The razor cover makes it travel ready, and the blades themselves are sharp enough for a smooth shave without tugging. It's compact, efficient, and doesn't lock you into a subscription. You get high-end convenience without the high-end price. Check the description below for product links and best prices. NIVEA Men's Sensitive Shaving Set. This one's all about skin comfort. The Sensitive Shave Gel is packed with chamomile extract and vitamin E, which help calm irritation and hydrate your skin. The Soothing Post-Shave Balm is alcohol-free, so it won't sting or dry you out. It's a great combo for guys with sensitive skin or anyone tired of razor burn. You get legit skincare benefits without paying for boutique branding. It's gentle, effective, and easy to find. Check the description below for product links and best prices. Wahl All-in-One Cordless Trimmer. This trimmer is a multitasking beast. It comes with attachments for beard trimming, nose and ear hair, and detail grooming, all powered by a cordless rechargeable motor. The blades are sharp and precise, and the compact design makes it easy to maneuver around tricky spots. You get pro-level versatility in one tool. It's like having a mini barbershop in your bathroom. Check the description below for product links and best prices. Cremo Original Shave Gift Set. This kit includes Cremo's Ultra Slick Shaving Cream, which is known for reducing friction and preventing nicks. You also get a chrome barber-grade razor that feels premium in the hand, plus 4 blade refills. The cream smells fresh and clean, and the razor glides like butter. The cream alone feels like a luxury product, and the razor holds its own against pricier brands. Check the description below for product links and best prices. LEPONIX Shaving Kit for Men. This is the full wet shave experience. You get a classic safety razor, a sandalwood scented shaving cream, pre-shave oil, aftershave, a shaving brush and bowl, and even a shaving apron bib to catch stray hairs. It's a full ritual in one box, perfect for slow mornings or gifting. You get the whole barbershop setup for less than the cost of a single high-end razor. It's thoughtful, complete, and surprisingly luxe. Check the description below for product links and best prices. From slick travel razors to full wet shave rituals, these kits prove you don't need luxury prices to get a clean, comfortable shave. We explain what each one does best so you can upgrade your grooming game without draining your wallet. Check the description below for product links and best prices, and subscribe for more gear that actually earns its spot.